young man. What are you doing in my land?
Hello, engineer, hurry up now.
Hey, I'm talking to you, young man. What are you doing in my land?
Are you okay?
Will you leave this place now?
Forget that. Who is this one? Will you? Say who sell it for me now?
Make una no vex. Now hunger make me do am. But I know legal company, the Prince Builders. They get property for the whole of Nigeria. They sell land, they sell houses. Currently self, they get estates where they develop now for Obage community and land full there Yakata. The land they very cheap and affordable. Make una no vex abeg.
So you know say the Prince build that day. Now you collect my money. Me no get problem with you. My second land, you go clear the bush, dig the foundation, join the bricklayer. Everybody when want work for that place, you join the work till the house reach up. Me no get problem. Oh, you go follow my juju, do apprentice. 10 years apprentice, you go follow my juju. Then when my juju allow you go after 10 years, he go. Now my juju call that one. You they follow me. No, follow me. No, you go follow. See, no follow me. Now me go follow. Follow me. Now me go follow. See. Now me you go work. See. Now me go follow. Young man. Young man. I said follow me. Follow me.